The secret to vibrant autumn flowers revealed. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. Today's video we're going to talk about the secret of autumn vibrant flowers in your gardens and allotments. Now I've not got many autumn flowers in my garden. I've got a few because I want to try some colour so that it's not as dull over the winter period, as I do love to see some colour down at my allotment. Obviously the first fresh of colour will be in the springtime when all the bulbs come up, which I'm an advocate for planting spring bulbs. You know that I absolutely love planting spring bulbs. So the autumn flowers that I've got at the moment are cyclamen and pansies, and they add so much nice colour to the allotment. Oh, and I've got some heather as well. The heather's looking amazing at the moment. So the secrets are to deadhead regularly to boost your blooms. If your cyclamen are dying back the flowers, or the pansies, make sure you go around on a regular basis, take off those dead flowers, and that will encourage more blooms to come on your flowers throughout the autumn period. Feed them with a high potash fertilizer. If you're wanting extra big plants, nice colours, make sure you feed them on a regular basis every couple of weeks so that they keep blooming all the way through autumn and winter and produce you some great flowers. Keep watering. Autumn can still be dry. It's not being dry at the moment, but if it's a dry period, make sure you keep them watered and keep them growing throughout the autumn period, especially when it does get really dry. You don't want them drying out and dying off. Make sure you keep them alive, and the more effort you put into looking after them, the more they'll keep flowering. Remove faded leaves or for tidy growth. Any plants that leaves are dying on them, remove them, and yeah, it'll encourage more and more growth on the plant. Add mulch to lock in warmth and moisture. Obviously it's starting to turn cold now. It was absolutely freezing the other night. It's certainly dropping at night now, so adding that extra layer of mulch will keep the plants warmer, and it will encourage them to keep flowering as long as possible, as obviously when the snow comes and stuff like that, it may kill them off. So make sure you add some mulch to keep them a bit warmer, especially when it's starting to get frosty, and it will encourage them to keep giving you great presentations. Plant an autumn star plant. A great plant to grow in the autumn is chrysanthemums. They're absolutely gorgeous, full of flower, and they can add some beautiful displays into the garden and allotment. Now I've not got one myself, so I think I need to go out and buy some chrysanthemums to add some great colour to my allotment. So if you've got any ideas of great chrysanthemums and where to get them from, let me know, and I might go and get one to add into my garden myself. Enjoy those last bursts of colour before the frost. The frosts are coming soon. It's, like I said, it's dropping at night now. The temperatures are really going downhill at the moment, and yeah, it could possibly be a cold winter this year. It's been a warm summer, but it might be a cold winter. You never know. But yeah, make sure you enjoy those bursts of colour while we've got them, and obviously the next burst of colour will be in the springtime, so it's a big long time to wait, so enjoy the colour while we have it. So I hope you've enjoyed those tips and advice. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.